All right, everyone, I usually scrape on my driveway. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of like marks from where I scrape all the time. So we bought this thing on Amazon. It was the cheapest one and it smells, but it doesn't matter if it smells. We put it outside and we put it close to our driveway because it's heavy. So one of us, me or Elise, we pull it out and we position it and then we drive over it. The reason why is that we're not going to leave this out here because of our HOA. So, but we just kind of slide it back here when we're done. So let's go ahead and show you. All right, so you could buy two, but we got one because we still angle out, but it works pretty well. All right, guys, we're gonna put the Amazon link description if you want one. Remember, it smells and it's heavy, but it works.